Hello guys, this is Turaj. Today I'm going to do quick demo on Nash Trading Bot platform. Okay, go to this URL nashtradingbot.web.app. I will add this link to description as well. First, you need to create Trading Bot account using your Google account. Click here and log in with your Google account. Please use your email address and your name to create a Trading Bot account. Okay, first you need to add Nash API keys to Trading Bot account and link it with Nash. For that, first click here and go to settings. Here you need to add your Nash account's API keys. To get Nash API keys, open Nash web application and click here, and in my profile click API keys. Then you can create your API keys in here. Just enter name. Just skip this page. Here is your API secret and API key. Copy this. You can directly copy this from here to Nash Trading Bot application. Paste here and copy this as well and paste it. Then save. Okay, you will successfully link your Nash account with your Trading Bot account. Let's create your first bot. Click here. You can select either beginner or advanced mode. Let's look about the beginner mode. In beginner mode, there are pre-configured bot setups. It will create multiple bots, and it will have show description about each bot setup and trading capital need for that bots to run, and estimate volume and profit loss. For beginners, MakerTaker volume bot setup is good. It need only $100 worth capital, and it can generate more than 10,000 daily trading volume. To create bot, just select the setup and enter name. And click save and let's look about the advanced mode. In advanced mode, you can select multiple strategies here listed, and also if you hover on this strategy field, you can see the short description about each strategy. Also in other field as well have short description, so please go through that and you can familiar with the settings. Let's look about each strategy. In maker strategy, you can create either buy or sell bots. Buy bots, first buy, place buy order, and if it failed, it place take profit order with your take profit percentage. And in mega bots, you can add multiple extra orders. You can select type as a DCA or grid. If you select type as a DCA, after each extra order field, bot will cancel previous take profit order and create new take profit order for average buy price. But if you select grid as a type, then for each extra order, bot will create separate take profit orders. Also, there are Bollinger Band and RSI strategies. In Bollinger Band, bot will buy if price hit the lower Bollinger Band. And if you select trend as sell, bot will sell if prices hit the upper Bollinger Band. Then it plays take profit order with your take profit percentage. Bollinger Band strategy also have extra orders with grid or DCA type. It works same as in the maker bots. In Bollinger Bands, you can customize the time interval and the limit, which means the number of candles used to generate the Bollinger Band in settings. Also, there are different other strategies as well. In the CAMA crossover strategies, based on the trading view strategy, you can go to this link, you can find the strategy. In market maker strategy, bot will buy if Nash price is less than global price. Also, bot will sell if Nash price is greater than global price. You can select this price gap percentages here. To create bot, just set up the settings and click save and start. Bot will appear in this pending section first, and within 5 minutes it should go to this active session and you will receive notification after bot is successfully created. Here you can see you receive notification about bot details. By clicking here, you can go to bot details page. Here it display a trading volume, profit, and anyway pending orders and field orders for that bot. Here you can see this is our just created bot. It have pending sell order. You can click here and also edit bot settings, change order size. We created our first bot successfully. Let's go through the platform. In this section, it displays your last 7 days trading volume. Here it displays last 7 days profit. If you click again, it will display your last 7 days Nash channels account balance. It will take snapshot your account balance at every day morning and it will display here. Also, you can go to here, it displays the other traders and their volume and profit. You will receive notification for each bot activity like order placement. If bot stopped, you will receive notifications. Also, you can activate Telegram notification as well. To activate Telegram notification, go to settings, and in bottom you can see here there is an active button. Click here. It will ask to open your Telegram desktop application. Then click this start button. Okay, now your Telegram account successfully linked with the trading bot account. You can set Telegram notification preference here. If you click on the field orders, you will receive notification for only field orders. Also, these cloud bots are running in cloud servers, so you don't need to keep browser open. So after creating the bots, you can simply close this browser and bot will run in the servers. You can access to this bot through your mobile device as well. Just log into your CloudBot account using your Gmail account from any device. Thank you guys for watching. Click here and join the Telegram group, and if you have further questions, ask there.